All right, you were going to use an open number line to count back to subtract. Find 642 minus 231. They want us to look at 231. 231 is 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1. They want us to count back from 642 by jumps of hundreds, tens, and ones. So we're going to start with 642. We get that number from here. It's the first number in our problem, and we're going to start with it here, and we're counting backwards. So we're going backwards on the number line. They already have our 200s, 1, 2, which we got from here, our 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and our 1, 1 that we got here. So we're subtracting that 231. They just broke it apart for you already. So 642 minus 100 is 542. We're going to subtract 100 again. 542 minus 100 is 442. Now we're going to subtract our tens. 442 minus 10 is 432. 432 minus 10 is 422. And 422 minus 10 is 412. Remember, when we're taking away tens, we're just taking 1 away from the tens place, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's how we got that 412. Now we're just going to take away that final 1. 412 minus 1 is 411. And then I apologize, my screen got cut off, but it says 642 minus 231 is 411. So I do this answer up here, even though it is on the bottom. So that will equal 411 as your answer.